Nothing. Phone 3 Pro is gaining attention fast, and if the recent leaks are accurate, this might be the most advanced phone the company has ever made. A new concept design shared by David Joa on the Nothing Community tab is believed to be the inspiration for the upcoming model. While not confirmed, it closely matches what many expect from the next phone. The transparent back design returns, but now it looks more polished. The internal parts are not just visible. They are arranged in a way that feels clean and smart. The glyph interface remains, but this time it looks more detailed, with lights that seem sharper, more controlled, and possibly more useful. These lights may now do more than just flash. They could help users interact with the phone in new ways. One of the biggest changes is in the camera layout. Instead of the usual vertical camera setup, this concept shows 3 large camera lenses placed in a horizontal row near the top. This new layout feels modern and balanced. It also suggests that Nothing is focusing more on camera quality. The larger lenses could mean better sensors and improved photo and video performance. The design looks similar to Google Pixel phones, which are known for their strong camera systems. The phone itself looks slim, with slightly curved edges, which should make it more comfortable to hold and use. Interestingly, this refreshed design closely matches the leaked renders shared by Rakesh Chakma on Twitter, which many believe depict the upcoming Nothing Phone 3 Pro. This could be the high-end version Carl Pei hinted at when he mentioned a $1,000 smartphone. If true, Nothing is clearly planning to enter the flagship market and compete with top brands like Apple and Samsung. This Pro version wouldn't just offer a few extra features. It would need to show major improvements in build quality, camera tech, processing power, and maybe even AI features. For this price range, users expect top-level performance and a premium experience. Nothing has built its name around doing things differently, and now it has the chance to prove it can deliver at the highest level. With the smartphone market saturated, the stakes are high. A Pro version must justify its higher price tag with substantial enhancements across performance, camera systems, and user experience. If Nothing can pull this off, it could position itself as a serious contender in the high-end market. Based on current leaks, the Nothing Phone 3 is expected to launch in July 2025. The regular model may come at a mid-range price, while the Pro version could be priced around £800 or $1,000. If the leaks are true, this could be Nothing's most exciting phone yet.